Imagine a kitchen appliance that does it all. Air fries crispy wings, bakes perfect cookies, roasts a juicy 12-pound turkey, and toasts bagels to golden perfection, all while saving you time, space, and energy. Enter the Ninja Prestige Smart XL Air Fryer and Countertop Oven, DT501, a 10-in-1 powerhouse that's redefining what a countertop oven can do. This sleek, stainless steel marvel is a must-have for home cooks, busy families, and food enthusiasts alike. From its cutting-edge features to its ability to solve everyday cooking woes, this Ninja appliance is a game-changer. Ready to elevate your kitchen? Let's explore. Why the Ninja Prestige Smart XL stands out. The Ninja Prestige Smart XL Air Fryer and Countertop Oven isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's a culinary revolution. With 10 versatile cooking functions, a massive extra-large capacity, and Smart Surround Convection technology, this 1800-watt appliance delivers restaurant-quality results without the hassle. Whether you're air frying, roasting, baking, or dehydrating, this oven promises crispy, juicy, and perfectly cooked meals every time. Its sleek, stainless steel design and intuitive digital display make it a stylish and user-friendly addition to any kitchen. Solving everyday cooking problems. Cooking can be a chore, especially when you're juggling multiple appliances or dealing with inconsistent results. The Ninja Prestige Smart XL tackles these pain points head-on. Uneven cooking. Tired of flipping food halfway through or dealing with soggy spots? The Smart Surround Convection system uses a high-velocity fan and rear heat source to circulate hot air evenly, ensuring all-around crispiness without constant monitoring. Long preheat times. Waiting for your oven to heat up can feel like forever. This Ninja preheats in just 90 seconds, getting you to cooking faster than a traditional oven. Limited counter space. Bulky appliances can overwhelm small kitchens. With its 2-level cooking and ability to replace your air fryer, toaster, and oven, this unit maximizes functionality while minimizing clutter. Unhealthy meals. Love fried food but hate the guilt? The air fry function uses up to 75% less fat than traditional frying, delivering crispy results with fewer calories. Complex controls. Many appliances have confusing settings. The digital display handle highlights optimal rack positions and freezes settings when the door is open, making operation a breeze. Key features and benefits. 10-in-1 versatility. Choose from air fry, whole roast, air roast, bake, dehydrate, pizza, broil, toast, bagel, and reheat functions to tackle any recipe. From crispy fries to a 12-pound turkey, this oven does it all. XL capacity. With space for 2 9x9 baking trays, 20 cookies, or a 12-pound turkey, it's perfect for family meals or entertaining guests. The air fry basket handles up to 8 pounds of food. Smart Surround Convection. No need to flip or rotate food. The powerful convection system ensures even, crispy results every time, saving you effort and time. Lightning fast. Preheat. At 90 seconds, this oven preheats up to 30% faster than a full-size convection oven, ideal for busy weeknights. Healthy cooking. Air fry with up to 75% less fat compared to deep frying, making indulgent meals guilt-free. Intuitive design. The digital display handle is user-friendly with clear labels and responsive buttons. It even suggests rack positions for each function. Easy cleanup. Includes a removable crumb tray and dishwasher-safe air fry basket, keeping maintenance simple. Complete accessory package comes with 2 wire racks, 2 sheet pans, a roast tray, an air fry basket, and 15 chef-created recipes with cooking charts to inspire your next meal. Why you should buy it. This isn't just an appliance, it's a lifestyle upgrade. The Ninja Prestige Smart XL saves time, reduces energy costs, no need to heat a full-size oven, and delivers restaurant-quality results. Its 10-in-1 functionality means you can experiment with new recipes from dehydrated fruit snacks to broiled salmon. The sleek, stainless steel design adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen, while the easy-to-clean features keep maintenance low. Plus, with frequent sales, check retailers like Amazon or Best Buy, you can snag this premium appliance at a great price. The verdict: the Ninja Prestige Smart XL Air Fryer and Countertop Oven is a versatile, high-performing appliance that delivers on its promises. It's a one-stop solution for air frying, baking, roasting, and more, with a sleek design and user-friendly features that make cooking a joy. Whether you're a busy parent, a health-conscious cook, or a culinary enthusiast, this oven will transform your kitchen. Don't miss out on the chance to upgrade your cooking game. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and grab yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.